Iceland, a land of ice and fire. Iceland, a land of astonishing contrasts, is a unique island nation nestled in the North Atlantic Ocean. With its breathtaking natural beauty, rich biodiversity, and vibrant culture, Iceland has become one of the most sought-after travel destinations for explorers around the world. In this episode of Travelogues, we'll uncover the answers to some fascinating questions. Is it true that Iceland is home to the famous black sand beaches? What percentage of Iceland is covered by glaciers? What are the best places to witness the magical aurora borealis? Which city is considered the most thrilling in the north? And what do Icelandic people actually eat? To find the answers to these mysterious questions, stay tuned to this exciting episode of Travelogues. Iceland is a visual marvel, combining snow-covered mountains, active volcanoes, glaciers, waterfalls, hot springs, the mystical northern lights, and massive ice caps into a surreal and unforgettable landscape. But it's not just about nature. This country is steeped in history and culture, from Viking legacies and ancient folklore to cutting-edge innovation. Iceland is truly one of a kind. Let's dive deep into the beauty and attractions of this wonderland. Geographic identity of Iceland. Iceland is a distinct island located in the middle of the North Atlantic Ocean. Positioned between Europe and North America, the country lies on the mid-Atlantic ridge, making it one of the most geologically active places on Earth. Spanning about 103,000 square kilometers with a population of only 370,000, it is one of the least densely populated nations in the world. 1. Landscape and natural beauty. Volcanoes and hot springs. Iceland is home to around 130 active and dormant volcanoes. Among the most notable are Hekla, Katla, and Eyjafjallajökull. Due to geothermal activity, the country features numerous hot springs and geysers. Geyser and Strákar are the most iconic. The Blue Lagoon is one of the world's most famous geothermal spas, known for its mineral-rich, soothing blue waters. Waterfalls. Iceland boasts countless mesmerizing waterfalls, with Gullfoss, Seljalandsfoss, and Dettifoss being among the most famous. Dettifoss is one of the most powerful waterfalls in Europe. Glaciers. About 11% of Iceland's total land area is covered by glaciers. The country houses some of the world's largest glaciers. Vatnajökull alone covers about 8% of Iceland, making it Europe's largest glacier. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is a spectacular ice lagoon filled with floating icebergs. Northern Lights. Iceland offers one of the best chances to witness the magical northern lights during winter. This celestial phenomenon paints the sky in hues of green, pink, and violet, a truly otherworldly experience. 2. Biodiversity. Iceland is rich in marine bird species, whales, and seals. The Icelandic horse is a unique and sturdy breed, famous for its beauty and special gait. Fun fact: Iceland has virtually no mosquitoes. 3. Culture and heritage. Norse Vikings began settling in Iceland in the 9th century, and many Icelanders today take pride in tracing their ancestry to these early settlers. Icelandic culture is influenced by Viking history, ancient myths, and music. Numerous cultural festivals and events are celebrated throughout the year. Icelanders are known for their warm hospitality and strong cultural identity. 4. Tourism. Iceland offers a wide range of experiences for tourists, including glacier hiking and skiing, whale watching tours, bathing in hot springs, watching the northern lights, exploring local traditions and heritage. The Golden Circle is Iceland's most popular tourist route, featuring Gullfoss Waterfall, Geyser Hot Spring, and Thingvellir National Park. The capital city, Reykjavik, is a vibrant urban center filled with museums, art galleries, and top-class restaurants. 5. Additional information. The official language is Icelandic. The currency is the Icelandic krona. Iceland ranks among the top nations in terms of quality of life. Once again, yes, it's true, no mosquitoes. 6. Volcanic and geothermal activity. Iceland is one of the most geologically active regions on Earth. It has over 130 volcanoes. In 2010, the eruption of Age of Geological caused massive ash clouds, disrupting air travel across Europe. Geothermal energy is Iceland's most valuable natural resource. About 90% of homes in the country are heated using hot water from underground sources. The famous Blue Lagoon is also a result of geothermal activity and remains one of the top tourist attractions. 7. Iceland's unreal natural beauty. Iceland feels like a dreamland. From the warm waters of the Blue Lagoon and the dramatic Gullfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls to the black sand beaches and the shimmering Diamond Beach, nature shows off here in every corner. And let's not forget the Northern Lights. Each winter, these magical lights dance across the Icelandic sky, adding to the country's unmatched allure. 8. Iceland's spectacular waterfalls. There are countless waterfalls across Iceland, each with its own unique charm. Gullfoss, located in the Golden Circle, it's one of the most iconic falls, with a 2-tiered drop. Seljalandsfoss, unique because you can walk behind the falling water, especially stunning during sunset. Dettifoss, Europe's most powerful waterfall, located in North Iceland. The ground literally rumbles beneath your feet. 9. The Northern Lights, a dreamlike spectacle. Iceland is one of the top places in the world to witness the aurora borealis. Best seen between September and April, these vibrant colors light up the winter sky. Top spots to see the Northern Lights. Thingvellir National Park,
Kirkjufell Mountain,
Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon, Reykjavik. 10. The famous black sand beaches. Iceland's beaches are unlike any other, featuring striking black volcanic sand. Reynisfjara Beach, the crown jewel of Iceland's black sand beaches. Known for its basalt columns and the Reynisdrangar sea stacks that rise dramatically from the ocean. Diamond Beach, near Jökulsárlón Lagoon, where glistening chunks of ice lie scattered on the black sand, resembling sparkling diamonds. Icelandic cuisine, unique and surprising. Hakarl, fermented shark meat, an acquired taste. Skyr, a thick, nutritious yogurt-like dairy product. Pilsur, Icelandic hot dogs, famous for their unique taste and toppings. Reykjavik, the most exciting city in the north. Reykjavik, Iceland's capital, is the northernmost capital city in the world. It's a perfect blend of modernity and ancient Viking heritage. Top attractions include Hallgrímskirkja Church, Harpa Concert Hall, and the Sun Voyager sculpture. The city is also known for its thermal pools, cafe culture, and live music festivals like Iceland Airwaves, which attracts both local and international artists every year. Iceland is a place where nature itself tells stories. From volcanoes and glaciers to waterfalls, black sand beaches, and the dazzling northern lights, this is a land straight out of a dream. If you're someone who seeks the wonders of nature and wants to escape into a world of mystery and beauty, Iceland is your perfect destination. To explore more such unique places, cultures, and traditions from every corner of the world, subscribe to the Travelogues channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an adventure.